Good morning. Another coffee morning chat by the fire. Figured I better be getting one in there pretty soon because there are going to be some fire restrictions, I think. Probably right after the holiday. One of my subscribers, one of my followers, one of my friends, he made a comment this morning that just cracked me up, but it was so on point. He said that everybody should express their inner hermit. I thought that was so good. That was great. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. And I agree. I think everybody's got a little bit of hermit in them. I do, that's for sure. But mine comes out a whole lot more than most people, I guess. I don't know. And I'm perfectly happy up here all by myself. I don't care if there's anybody around or not. We had a pretty good influx of aliens last late afternoon, but then it stopped. So, well, today's only Saturday, so we still got 3 more days. Today, Sunday and Monday, so we'll see. But right now, it's, with all of them that came in yesterday, I can't see them, can't hear them. They don't even have any fires going this morning, or at least I can't smell them, put it that way. So, one of the things that I believed in is always have is a smaller fire. Some people come out, and they build these great big bonfires and all that, and I just never did that. It was always just a small little fire, maybe convert it to a cook fire later or something. But I hate to quote a movie line, but well, I won't quote it exactly, but there are certain people that will build a fire big enough for everybody to see. That's just not my way. So, I was going to go to town today. I've been planning on it for a couple of days, and to get some supplies. But it's a good thing I remembered that this was a holiday weekend. That old saying, if you move your feet, you lose your seat. Why does the smoke follow you all the time? So anyway, I guess I'll have to wait until Tuesday, which is fine. Just more time to hang out, before I have to make a trip. That's the hermit talking. If I could get delivery up here for free, I'd sure be doing that. How's that for lazy, huh? Well, it's not going to happen. So, yeah, I need to get a coffee cup, number one, and number two, I need to get a battery. Maybe not necessarily in that order, but one of those two things, both of those two things I have to have this time. So, I think the battery is just on borrowed time at the moment. So you can see I'm out here in my big old heavy jacket again. It's cold. It's about 43 degrees earlier. I don't know what it is now, but the fire is nice and warm. To get my fruit can cup. So I guess that's it for now. I just wanted to do a little fire update. Hang out by the fire, drink my coffee, and what are we calling it? Coffee chat? Morning coffee chat by the fire. That's it. No wind at the moment, which is a very good thing as far as I'm concerned. Later there'll be about an 8 or 10 mile an hour breeze, so that's fine. I don't mind that. It's still a little bit too windy to be flying a drone in the trees. So I've been, you know, kind of itching to get up in the air again, but you know, pretty dangerous in the trees. That's it. Yeah, I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye.